Motor Mania is your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, expert insights, and the latest updates on the automotive world. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for your next ride, we've got you covered with detailed breakdowns of the newest models, performance analysis, and cutting-edge technology features. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Lincoln Corsair, a luxury compact SUV that brings refined styling, advanced technology, and an enhanced driving experience. This latest iteration of the Corsair carries forward Lincoln's signature elegance while incorporating new design elements that make it stand out on the road. The exterior features a refreshed front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that emphasize sophistication. The redesigned front and rear bumpers contribute to a more modern and aerodynamic look, giving the Corsair an assertive yet graceful presence. The available Black Label package adds exclusive design touches, premium materials, and unique color options, elevating the luxury appeal. Inside, the Corsair offers a first-class experience with high-quality materials, ergonomic design, and cutting-edge technology. The cabin is designed to provide maximum comfort with plush leather seats, real wood and metal accents, and customizable ambient lighting. The front seats are power adjustable with available massage and ventilation functions, ensuring a relaxed ride. The rear seats offer generous legroom and can be adjusted for optimal comfort, making long journeys enjoyable for passengers. The panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of space and lets in natural light, creating an open and airy feel. The infotainment system is at the forefront of modern technology, featuring a large touchscreen with an intuitive interface that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The latest Lincoln Sync system offers voice control, cloud-based navigation, and over-the-air updates to keep the system current. The premium Revel audio system delivers immersive sound quality, making every drive a concert-like experience. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays with real-time vehicle information, ensuring that drivers have all the necessary data at their fingertips. Safety and driver assistance features are a key focus, with the Corsair equipped with the latest Lincoln Copilot 360 suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and an enhanced 360-degree camera system. The Active Glide hands-free driving technology allows for semi-autonomous driving on select highways, making long trips more convenient and reducing driver fatigue. The Intelligent Parking Assist system takes the stress out of tight spaces by automatically steering the vehicle into a parking spot with minimal driver input. Under the hood, the 2025 Corsair offers multiple powertrain options, catering to different driving preferences. The standard turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivers a balance of power and efficiency, while the plug-in hybrid variant provides an eco-friendly alternative with electric-only driving capabilities. The hybrid model enhances fuel economy and reduces emissions, making it a great choice for those looking to minimize their carbon footprint. The refined suspension and adaptive dampers ensure a smooth and composed ride, absorbing road imperfections effortlessly. The all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, making the Corsair well-suited for various road conditions. Luxury and convenience extend to the cargo area, with a hands-free power liftgate allowing easy access to the spacious trunk. The rear seats can be folded down to expand storage capacity, making it practical for carrying larger items. Advanced connectivity features include multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, ensuring that passengers stay connected on the go. The Lincoln Way app allows owners to remotely start the vehicle, adjust climate settings, and locate the car, adding another layer of convenience to the ownership experience. Fuel efficiency is a priority for many drivers, and the Corsair delivers competitive mileage figures across its powertrain options. The hybrid model offers an impressive range on electric power alone, while the turbocharged engine provides a balance of performance and efficiency. The smooth shifting automatic transmission ensures seamless acceleration, making city and highway driving effortless. The refined aerodynamics contribute to better fuel economy and a quieter cabin, reducing wind and road noise for a more serene driving experience. Customization is another highlight, with Lincoln offering a variety of trim levels and optional packages to suit different preferences. Buyers can choose from a range of exterior colors, interior themes, and wheel designs to personalize their Corsair. The Lincoln Black Label membership provides exclusive benefits, including concierge service, premium maintenance plans, and access to unique experiences, enhancing the ownership experience beyond the vehicle itself. For those who value innovation, luxury, and practicality in a compact SUV, the 2025 Lincoln Corsair stands out as a compelling choice. It combines a refined design, advanced technology, and a comfortable driving experience, making it an excellent option for those seeking premium quality in a manageable size. With Lincoln's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation, the Corsair continues to set the standard in its class. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2025 Lincoln Corsair, make sure to subscribe to Motor Mania for more expert reviews, car comparisons, and the latest automotive news. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the newest car releases and features.